I absolutely love this wall. I use the plant picture app to figure out what all this stuff is, because it would look really good on my wall down south at the house in Nicaragua. So it would look really good. I got a bunch of plants that I went around and some trees, so we can get some other stuff planted. Right now we're gonna head back to the hotel room, or the villa, I guess. And we'll get started. We'll get packed up and ready to go, and then we can just chill tonight, and we got an early flight in the morning. It's been a great trip though. It's been a bunch of good people. Super bummed we gotta leave, but on to the next adventure, which will probably be a diving trip. I would imagine now that we're both hooked on diving, which we kind of knew we would be. Oop, get barreled. Well, see you in a bit. You. Oh. Well, we're just sitting out on the balcony right now, taking in the afternoon sun. We've been down at the ocean most of the day playing around. It's pretty heavy winds, but it's just nice to be out. This is the last day here. We fly out early in the morning, get back into Toronto in the afternoon, and then head up home. So it's been a wonderful vacation down here. Phenomenal people, phenomenal service. The food here is excellent. Every restaurant, and there's a lot of restaurants here, every restaurant here has been great. Some really, 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 really good food. There's not a single place on this entire resort at the Fives here at the beach resort that doesn't have good food. The homemade Firestone, like the stone-fired pizzas and the taco bars and the sushi. And I'm not a big sushi guy. I've never spent enough time eating it. But the people that we're here with for the wedding, they crush sushi all the time, and they said the Oka restaurant here was unbelievable, and it was. I tried things without even knowing what was in them. It tasted phenomenal, but the restaurants here, the Italian restaurant, the Sea Olive, the 1910 Mexican Cantina, the Thai restaurant, phenomenal. Hospitality here, the people have been absolutely amazing. They remember you. This is a gorgeous beach resort, and I'm not a beach resort person at all. I've only ever done one resort, and that was in Cuba, and I swear I would never do one again like that, and I never will. But this is completely different. There's freedom to just do it, and it's huge. This place is huge. Like, I haven't even seen it all yet. They did a wonderful job with the wedding last night for the girlfriend's sister, for Mandy and Corey. So that was amazing. We had 87 people fly in from Ontario, Canada for the wedding. It was a big wedding. We had a lot of people here. So that was amazing. But yeah, this resort, if you ever get a chance and you're coming down here and you're looking for somewhere, and by no means in any way is this a paid promotion. It's just, I like to help people travel and stay somewhere where it's really good and it's reputable and it's safe and secure and the food is excellent, and I don't drink. I'm not a drinker and I don't drink, but the bride and groom specifically booked this place because of the food. It's top shelf, and the booze is top shelf. There's no garbage here. And then they've got the dive shop in the center and everything else to go with it. And that's where we spent most of our time, was scuba diving and snorkeling, and out with the Fives Dive Center with Alberto and Marco and their guys up at the Puerto Morales, up north a little bit, up there with Gustavo and Carlos, and we all went out and we did the big yacht tour, and the guys went golfing, and they're doing a big fishing trip tomorrow. So absolutely phenomenal time. Thank you for having us here. Mucho gusto. It's greatly appreciated. Absolutely loved our time here. Definitely will be back for sure. Probably get a little food into us here before we got to start packing and get a good night's sleep. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Could be here somewhere, or even down below here somewhere. Don't forget to do that. It helps the channel grow. I really appreciate all the support, the kind words, and the comments. Please leave your comments down below if you have any recommendations of where to go, other places to travel to. Definitely love hearing from everybody. We have a lot of fun making this stuff, so hope you're enjoying it. But from here on out, we're gonna get packed and I'm gonna head to the airport. It's not a sad day. It's been a great trip. And I would imagine now, moving forward, we're definitely going to be doing our certification for our scuba diving after doing what we did down here. So we're going to be bringing you some shipwreck stuff, Surf is still going on at the beach. Now it's skateboard season, so I'm back into that, and kiteboarding and mountain biking, and got tons of other fun stuff coming your way. So yeah, stay tuned, and thanks for watching. See y'all later. You. That's our gate right there, so that's good.
Yeah. Oh. Muy ouchy.
You want some lotion?
I have some lotion.
Do you have some lotion, mine?
It's gonna get connected. I'll text my mother. Mujer?
That's not your mother, that's your madre and your padre.
What's mujer?
Woman.
Oh.
Madre, padre. It's mother, father.
I'm gonna text my madre and my padre to let them know that I'm at the airport, and I'm
AKA Dennis and Judy.
going to Nicaragua. Please send Penny.
Yeah, we've decided to change flights.
I
We're
miss
not
my-
coming home.
It was a tough decision, but somebody had to make it.
Mm-hmm.
Ready to get on a plane.
Hey, how's it going?
You're nice to people who remember you.
That's right.
Big seconds, little seconds. Little seconds, big seconds.
Back in cold, miserable Toronto.
Gross.
Gross. Boo.
So gross.
Boo errands.